14, Rescue 14, Engine 12, Rescue 12, Engine 43, Hazmat 16, Ladder 47, Squad 5, Tanker 4, Tanker 9, Engine 16, Attention Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Safety 1, Industrial Fire, BP Gas Station, Explosion, 215 State Road 16, Cross Street Masters Drive. All units respond on Channel 2, 1645.
County 3, St. John's.
ID only.
County 3.
County 3, go ahead.
Heavy smoke from US 1 and State Road 16.
Acknowledge County 3, 1645.
John 46 responding. Can you advise attack again?
Engine 46 responding. Switch to Channel 2. Channel 2.
Now, FM1.
FM1.
County 3, St. John's.
County 3.
3, St. John's.
St. John's, County 3.
Heavy smoke and flames showing. I'll be establishing command. Stand by for further. Get the sheriff's office to respond. We're going to need State Road 16 shut down entirely.
County 3 on scene. Flame showing. Notifying SO 1646.
Responding.
1646.
Engine 4.
Was FM1 responding?
From Engine 4.
Engine 4.
Headquarters at Station 14 will respond with them on this call.
Engine 4, repeat.
Engine 4 is responding from Station 14 on the same call at the BP station.
Acknowledge. Engine 4 responding. 1647.
One responding. 1646.
County 3, St. John's, Safety 1 responding. We've got a fuel truck on fire and a fuel compound on fire. Get some additional foam rolling this way as well. I'll have command.
Copy. Can you estimate the gallons on the fuel truck?
I don't know, St. John's. It's just a large fuel truck. I don't know how much fuel's in the fuel truck.
1647, requesting additional foam.
Yeah, we need additional foam.
1647.
John's from Rescue 16 will be responding with Hazmat 16.
Rescue 16 responding with Hazmat 16, 1647. St. John's Ladder 47 on Channel 10.
County 3, St. John's. We've got multiple explosions going on at this time. Go ahead and get some more, get another engine, at least another engine rolling.
Copy, 1647.
St. John's Safety 1 is responding. St. John's Engine 16.
Engine 16.
County 3. Hey, FM1.
FM1.
Before 5 o'clock, ring down Grumman and see if they got a crash call to phone capabilities and get it up to County 3 before they leave for the day.
1649.
St. John's Engine 16.
Engine 16.
We make contact with somebody in logistics and see how much Class B foam we have on reserve, and then make contact with Jacksonville and ascertain if they have any Class B foam that they might be able to send to us.
Copy, 1649.
Command, we're 30 seconds out. What's our assignment? Catch a hydrant. Whoever's coming in, catch the hydrant. First 3 trucks. Then pull over here on our Masters. Knowledge, you know where the hydrant's at? I know there's one on 16 out here. The dispatch to give you a hydrant location. Got a hydrant right in front of you guys almost, shoot. 3 St. John's, this is going to be a complete defensive attack. A defensive attack.
Copy. Defensive attack, 1650.
12, come on in. Come around them, engine 12. We're coming around. They can lay into you. Have them lay into you. 240 on us. 40, command. Engine 4, Rock.
51.
Hey, John's Rescue 14 on track 2. We have trauma alert.
Trauma alert 1651. St. John's, all units responding, structure fire, stage on Jardine, stage on Jardine.
St. John's from County 3.
County 3.
St. John's from County 3.
St. John's, County 3, go ahead.
Identify County 1 and County 2.
1653.
Engine 15 responding.
For the command, I'm about 30 seconds out. Where do you need me? Unit calling command. Tanker 4. Repeat the ID only. Over here, over here. That was Lieutenant Moore. I want you on the back side of this building. Now, FM1, if you have not already, notify both utility companies to increase the water pressure.
1654.
St. John's.
Come in.
St. John's, I need the power company out here ASAP. I need all this power killed to this whole block.
1654.
County 3, St. John's. 3, St. John's.
3.
Oh, we got to put out evacuation. Move all the trucks. Have all apparatus moved.
All units, attention, all units operating structure fire, Masters and 16. Move your trucks a distance away from the fire building.
I am on to County 3. Battalion 1. Kurt, I'm 30 seconds out. What do you need from me? Keep me right in the front, Ed. Masters Drive and 16. Masters and 16, acknowledged.
3 from Hazmat and Engine 16. We're about a minute out. Where do you need us?
Masters and 16, come past Masters and 16 on the east side. You're on the east side.
Side, acknowledged.
I'm trying to put this gas station out. I want this gas station from the back put out.
Acknowledged.
Command to Engine 4. Command to Engine 4. Hey, when you get up here, put a deck gun right where this auto care place is. I want your deck gun right in front of the BP station going over the top of the building. Hang on. FM1. 1, St. John.
County 1.
You notify the power company, what's their ETA? We need to be able to kill this grid area.
Advising kill the grid.
FM1.
FM1, stand by unless urgent.
Engine 16, right up here. Response for Grumman.
To reach, Jack's Fire is going to send a foam truck.
Rescue 14 is en route to Flagler LZ. St. John, Station 1's on scene. command from Rescue 16.
Command St. John.
16, command.
Is Jacksonville responding?
Affirmative. Jacksonville is going to respond to foam truck. It's coming from the north end.
We'll be assuming water supply for this incident. You make contact with both utility companies.
Yeah, I was being notified to cut the grid.
Hey, any available tanker you have in the county, also respond them to my direction.
1701.
Cross out, clear. Command Engine 14.
14, go ahead, command.
14, have you found a hydrant?
Check, we got a hydrant pretty good distance, but we're in reverse way from engine 12, from Minical to Cervantes.
Copy that. How many feet you looking?
It's going to be right at 1,000 feet. We're going to pump from the hydrant and pump the LDH.
Copy that, perfect. And St. John's.
16, command.
Just tender 14, anti-grade also route to this call.
County 3, repeat.
What, do you have every available tanker in the county en route to this call?
In the process.
Whatever tanker is available, have them respond. We have a severe water problem.
1703.
From engine 15. St. John's from engine 15.
Engine 15.
Johns, would you like engine 15 to turn around and grab both tanker tenders at station?
If possible.
City Road 16 command, engine 16, Andrew. Command.
Johns from engine 15.
Engine 15.
Johns, would you like us to go back and get both tankers at station 15?
What's your affirmative?
Does that acknowledge?
Acknowledge. Pick up the tankers. Let us know when they're rolling.
Engine 12 to engine 14. Engine 12 is ready for water. Charge 5-inch. Engine 14, charge the 5-inch. Charge the 5-inch.
14, no, this is 12, standby. We're still trying to establish the water supply.
Engine 14, charge that line.
Engine 14, engine 12.
Go ahead.
Standby, we're trying to make the water supply now. We're a couple points, 100 feet short.
Acknowledge. And engine 14.
Engine 14, go ahead.
That water supply coming.
We're a couple 100 feet short where I lay. We're going to try to make up the difference with supply line 3 inches.
Where's engine 12?
Engine 12 is connected to the other end, ready for water.
FM1, engine coming in. You coming towards me? Yeah, you get to a remote flight from a diesel hydrant.
Engine 15's on scene. Where do you want us?
Keep coming past the battalion chief. Come on up here towards me. I'm in the middle of the road. Command St. John's.
St. John's, command, go ahead.